Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to HH Beauty Garden, where we grow with love, patience, and the magic of nature. If you enjoy simple, natural gardening tips, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or just want to say hello. We truly enjoy hearing from you. Today, I'll show you a very easy and natural method to help your rose cuttings root successfully. With just 1 cup of a gentle homemade mixture. No chemicals, no fancy equipment, just a little care and a few things from your kitchen. So let's begin. Step 1. Choose a healthy rose cutting. First, pick a rose branch that you love, about 15 to 20 centimeters long, with at least 2 leaf nodes on it. Now, remove the leaves at the bottom, but keep 1 or 2 leaves near the top. This helps reduce water loss, but still allows the plant to breathe and photosynthesize. Then cut the base of the stem at a 45-degree angle. This increases the surface area for water to be absorbed more easily. Step 2. Prepare the rooting solution. Here's where the magic happens, and it's all natural. Take 1 small onion, peel it, and chop it finely. Onions help fight bacteria, and they gently encourage roots to grow. Now, peel and chop 2 cloves of garlic. Garlic contains natural compounds that protect the cutting and boost root development. Put both the chopped onion and garlic into a clean glass cup. Then, pour in about 500 milliliters of warm water. The water should be around 40 degrees Celsius, which helps release the nutrients faster. Cover the cup and let it cool completely. This gives the natural compounds time to blend into the water. Once the mixture is cool, use a cloth or a sieve to filter out any bits and pieces. What you're left with is a beautiful, golden rooting solution. Step 3. Add honey and vitamin B1. Now add 1 spoonful of honey to the solution. Honey protects your cuttings from fungi and bacteria and gives them a little natural energy to start growing. Next, add 1 tablet of vitamin B1. This helps reduce stress on the plant and supports the formation of strong, healthy roots. Stir gently and let the solution sit for a moment. Step 4. Soak the rose stem. Take your rose cutting and soak the bottom part in the solution for about 20 minutes. This is just enough time for the cutting to absorb nutrients without becoming waterlogged. Step 5. Prepare the growing medium. Here's a little trick I love using: toilet paper as a growing medium. Yes, really. It's soft, clean, and holds moisture beautifully. Take a plastic cup and roll up some toilet paper inside. This will be the soft bed where your rose begins its new life. Now pour a little of the rooting solution into the paper until it's slightly moist, not soaked. Use a small stick to poke a gentle hole in the center. This is where your cutting will go. Step 6. Plant your rose cutting. If you like, wrap a small piece of damp paper around the bottom of the cutting, just below the leaf nodes. This keeps the area moist and encourages new shoots. Now insert the stem into the hole you made and gently press the paper around it, just firm enough to hold it upright, but soft enough for roots to grow. Take a second, larger plastic cup, poke a few holes in it for air, and place it upside down over your cutting, like a little greenhouse. This helps maintain humidity and temperature, perfect conditions for rooting. Step 7. Wait and watch. Place your mini greenhouse in a cool, dry spot, away from direct sunlight. Check it every few days. Mist gently if the paper feels dry. Now just be patient. In about 15 to 20 days, you'll start to see tiny white roots forming and maybe even some new shoots near the leaf nodes. It's a quiet miracle, really. Step 8. Transplant to a bigger pot. Once the roots are strong and long enough, it's time to move your rose to a proper home. Prepare a small pot with rich, loose soil. Carefully plant the cutting, press the soil gently around it, and give it a good drink of water. Keep it in a shaded area for the first few days, and soon you'll see it growing happily. Dear friends, With just 1 cup of this gentle mixture, you can help your rose cuttings bloom into something truly beautiful. It's simple, it's natural, and it works like a quiet magic in your garden. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video, subscribe to HH Beauty Garden, and share it with someone who loves roses too. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Wishing you peaceful days and a blooming garden ahead.